Hi guys, today I will show you how to fix all problem related to Pubg joystick, and I guarantee you after this you won't feel any problem with your joystick anymore, and that is I will tell you perfect size, perfect placement of your joystick, for faster jiggle, joystick stuck problem, and bot movement while sprinting. I am going to solve those joystick problem, because I have been facing those problem for a very long time, so let's get straight into the video. So, there are 3 type of control setting in Pubg Mobile, but I know almost all of you are using this first type of control setting, and even I am using this first one. What does this do is that, the whole left side of the screen is dedicated for only movement of your joystick, and no matter where you place the joystick, the left side will always act as a joystick as long as the joystick is placed on the left side of the screen. But, we are here to talk about perfect joystick size and perfect joystick placement, to solve joystick stuck problem, and bot movement while sprinting, that is this. As you can see, during sprinting left and right, I stopped sprinting and started walking instead, and I know probably most of you face this problem, and this was one of my biggest problem, which also will slow down your jiggle movement, and not only that, sometime your joystick is stuck, even if you drag your thumb on the screen again and again, which is really fucking annoying. So, how to fix that? Almost every one of you, if you see carefully, you will all start to drag the joystick from the bottom left corner of the screen. So instead of placing your joystick in the middle of the screen, place your joystick in the bottom left corner of your screen, and I guarantee you 100% that the problem of your joystick movement stuck problem will be fixed, and the perfect joystick size that I will recommend for perfect jiggle and perfect movement is from 60 to 85% and not smaller or bigger than that. And thank you all for watching, hope I help. And hope you fix your joystick problem, and as always stay awesome, stay safe, and I will see you all next time. Peace out.
We ain't rushing, no discussion. All